You've probably heard of Slack. Your friend Brianna from soccer practice told you about it. She loves Slack.
Oh, I love Slack. I use it for everything at work.
Brianna works at the Daily News doing newspaper things. You probably know that Brianna uses Slack to send private messages to her colleagues.
But there's a lot more to it than that.
In fact, most of her company's work gets done in public channels. Channels allow people to organize themselves by team, project, or really anything.
All of our teamwork happens in channels. And it's way more than just a place to talk. We keep all of our files here too.
Brianna can add documents, photos, and other files right in the channel. And if a file is crucial to a project, she can pin it to make it more visible to her coworkers. And if a certain channel is particularly important to your work, you can star it to add it to your list of favorites.
Slack helps me keep track of everything at work, even when I don't really know how to solve a problem.
With Slack, the right people have the right information when they need it, even across departments. There might sometimes be a lot of people in a certain channel, but Slack helps keep conversations organized. Slack integrates with all your favorite workplace tools, so it's easy to keep everything you do in one place.
Thanks, Vince.
And because all of your company's communication is in one place, it's all searchable.
Yeah, that was really helpful when I first joined. It was great to have full access on day one. I pretty much jumped right in.
When your company uses Slack to collaborate, it quickly becomes the central hub where all your work happens.
Seriously, all of my work happens on Slack now. It's easy, efficient, and fun. Trust me, you'd totally love it.
Trust your friend Brianna from soccer practice. Get started with Slack today.